hold the hands in the air, but I can't.
Say, go Trey, bust a move. It's your first dance. Your first dance is with Grandma. Get your boogie on. Get your boogie on.
He's totally sweet. He's like, I'm rocking it, but technically not here.
It's still your first dance. Grandma's twirling. Watch out.
I'm not going to go around and drop him, so it's not going to happen. Like, see, they're moving their hands back and forth. So I remember when I was young, that's what we would do. Another idea of getting it on. Now it's like rap. Bondos, that's pretty cool. Yeah, because it's like reggae, you know?
Right.
It's like feel good music.
Say, Trey, you're gonna love to bust a move.
Did the Saturday Night Live thing when they're...
Yeah.
Come on the house.
Scream, Trey. You're great at that. Scream.
He's just hungry. Yeah,
He
now
just
that I'm not
drank
hungry
25
anymore.
milliliters,
Oh, cool.
which is his biggest bottle yet.
He's a man. Say more.
Takes after his daddy. Say, yay, baby Trey. Say thank you for this dance.
Keep up with Daddy.